Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video I am going to teach you how to fix Starfield Outpost disappeared or not showing up. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to reload the save. So the very first method we recommend is to simply reload the save and check if the issue is fixed. So to do this, first of all, you need to completely close the game and then just reload the latest autosave. And then now the outpost should be there in its designated location. And then what you can do is you can designate the other ship as your home ship. So some players have resolved this issue simply by designating the other ship as their home ship. So here's what you'll need to do in order for you to do that. So to perform this method, you'll first need a spare ship. Then go to the ship builder on the landing pad and set another ship as your home ship. And now you can return to your main ship and set that as your home ship. And once you are back out of the menu, your ship should be on the landing pad and have access to the transfer container. And then next, what you can do is you can rename the landing area. So some players suggest renaming the land area to any other name you want. So for this, once you deploy the outpost beacon, exit from the build mode, and then interact with it, now you need to customize its name by simply changing it from the default landing area to a name of your choice. And once done, the outpost beacon should be visible on the star map. And then lastly, what you can do is you can disable the mods. So in addition, if you are experiencing this issue on your PC, then try to disable the mods you are using and check if the issue is fixed. So that's all of the solutions that you can try fixing the Starfield outpost disappeared or not showing up. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.